Let's do a quick unboxing of the Ulanzi U-210 mini fluid head. Can I just say that I am quickly falling in love with Ulanzi. Everything they make is just premium quality and it's not gonna break the bank. I absolutely love it. And this is not a sponsored video, by the way. So let's take a look. Very simple packaging, which I do appreciate. I don't need any extra fluff or anything like that. Get right down to the point. We'll take a look at this fluid head here, and here we go. Now this is a mini fluid head, so you're gonna have a much smaller footprint. It's not gonna be as bulky as some of the larger ones, so if you're looking to be on the go or traveling, great size. A few key features here: it does have an Arca Swiss plate, and when you remove the Arca Swiss plate, there is a safety tab here that you press, and you can then remove it so you don't have any accidental drops. You can put this plate on any camera or any device that you want to use this for quick access. You have a bubble level. Now, I would have loved to have the bubble level somewhere outside, so if you have something mounted, you can still reference it, but not a big deal for me, honestly. Now, you have your handle here. You can also loosen and adjust the angle as you so choose. And you have tension knobs for both tilt and pan, so you can tilt it and pan as you please. Now this does come with a 1/4 inch adapter, or you have your 3/8 inch hole here as well. My tripod is 3/8 inch, so I just removed that adapter and we're ready to go. In terms of the build quality, you have nice aluminum here. It's very premium feeling, matte finish, so nothing feels cheap on this. The handle is rubberized as well, and it's a perfect size for a mini handle, to be honest. I do also love how they included a 1/4 inch mount here, so you can mount any other accessories that you want: mic, lights, monitor, if you have a magic arm. Really great option for a mini fluid head. Great detail, Ulanzi. So there we have a really quick down and dirty unboxing of the Ulanzi U-210 mini fluid video head. And I've said it before and I'll say it again, I got this on sale for $20. Absolute steal. I'll show a video of this mounted to my tripod at my daughter's soccer game right now, so you can get a sense of the scale of this mini fluid head. But yeah, there you have it. Like I said, this was a quick down and dirty review. You know, I love the talk, but plain and simple, this is just a really good mini fluid video head. If you're taking videos on a tripod, don't try to use one of these ball heads. It's not gonna work. This is great for photography. You definitely need something that will help you control your tilts, your pans, everything like that. This is absolutely perfect for it, and for the price, you cannot beat it. I highly recommend it. Good job, Ulanzi. Another solid win. So if you like this content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. We do a lot of tech, video game, and content creation material on this channel, so I really do appreciate your support. Go pick up the Ulanzi U-210 mini video fluid head if you're taking videos. Trust me, this gets my stamp of approval. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.